Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to start my new series with CSS Syntax and how to code CSS. So this page describes the basic syntax that you can use to apply CSS to any website. The CSS syntax consists of a set of rules. These rules have three parts: a selector and the property and a value. You don't need to remember this is in an order to code CSS. Once you start coding CSS, you will do so without thinking this is a selector or this is a property. This should begin to make sense once you study the example of this page. So I'm going to add some real-time values that we can use in our website. So heading 1 color should be blue, and we can add HTML tag here. This is a graph, and then we can see the results. This is a paragraph with the blue color. So if you want to add this color in multi steps, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this code tells the browser to render all the accuracies of the HTML. So grouping the selector is comma H2, H3, H4, H5, and 6. So these all the paragraphs have the same color. That is the grouping of selectors. So apply multiple properties in a one go. To apply more than one property, separated each declaration with semicolon. So I'm gonna describe some more properties here, like H1 have the color red, and then font family should be Times New Roman, and the font size should be 100%. So here is a red color with the 100% font size and the Times New Roman font. Actually, by default the browser is using Times New Roman maybe, or Arial. So you can also change the font family from here, and also add a font weight 600 or maybe bold, and you can also add the font style italic. So you can do whatever you like. You need to do in CSS. It's very compulsory for website for working. And now I'm gonna come up with the CSS inline styling and embedded styling and external styling. Actually, I have a previous tutorial in the my HTML series, so you can also learn from there, but this is only for CSS. series, so that's why I'm gonna describe these styles in detail. So now I'm gonna add some inline style here. Style color should be olive and font size should be 24 pixel, and the font weight should be 300 pixels. So it works. Actually, the priority of the inline style is first, and then embedded style here, and the third priority of the overwriting of the CSS is external style. So uh, you may also use the external style. um, Once you added the external style, you can overwrite it from here. For example, heading 1 had the red color and the Times New Roman font family with the 100% of font size and bold and italic. So I'm gonna style the font family h1 from here. font family font family is this, so it will automatically read this. For example, I cannot use font family here, it will read this one. I will show you the property that what we are working with. So this is our paragraph. So now it's using inline style, and then give me a second. I'm gonna resize my browser. So here it is. It's overwriting the red color with the olive. Once I delete this color, it will automatically redirect it to here. Color should be blue, and once I reload it, it will blue because the second priority of the CSS rendering is external. So here is a blue color. Once I remove this, it will automatically redirect it to the external style. So these are the priorities of every style that we are using. For example, you had a lots of code here, and you want to override the CSS. You can add the style in a embedded style, so then you can easily overwrite these colors, or maybe font sizes, or fonts weight, or um, padding, or margins, or everything whatever you like. You need to overwrite it. You can add these scripted embedded or inline, or maybe you can just, for example, you can use the external style. You will override that value with the selector from the embedded style, and then if you don't want to write in embedded style, you can also add the inline style. So I will give you another example with the font size. Give me a second. Font size should be 500%, and here I can define a font size is 1000%. So these are the styles that we are using. I'm gonna add here 1000%, 1000%, so it will easy to read. So this is our inline style. Once I remove this, it will automatically redirect it to embedded style. This is index.html and this is embedded style. Once I remove this, it will automatically redirect it to our external style. So uh, you can understand the priorities of the styling. So this is for now. I'm gonna add some more classes or IDs and selectors in my CSS in detail. So thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for getting my notification for each upload. So thank you guys, take care.